Hello, I'm Kate James. I'm a cataloger and a former member of the RDA Steering Committee, also known as the RSC. This video is about doing exact title searches in the new RDA Toolkit. If you're unfamiliar with the different search types in the new RDA Toolkit, you might want to first check out the video I've done on searching in the RDA Toolkit that discusses all of them. So let's get started now with exact title searches. I need to be logged into the toolkit. I know I am because it says welcome back Kate and then my name appears up here. So I'll go to the drop down menu and click on exact title. Okay, you might be wondering, why do I want to do this type of search? Well, with the original RDA toolkit, I had memorized a lot of instruction numbers. So to very quickly find the instruction I was looking for, I would just type in the instruction number in the search box and hit enter, and it would take me right there. So for example, for date of work, I would just type in 6.4, enter, and I'm right in that instruction. There are no instruction numbers in the new toolkit, and I have not memorized all of these citation numbers or any of these citation numbers. And I probably never will because they're long and randomly generated. So this is taking the place of that quick instruction number search. So I know there's an element called date of work. I am going to search for it. Notice I'm not using quotation marks. I hit enter, and it takes me right to that page called date of work. Now, perhaps I really didn't know that I wanted to go to the element page. So I could have done an all search for date of work, and it would have given me a lot of hits, including hits in the glossary, and that could be great for some purposes, but I knew that I specifically wanted to go to this page. You might be wondering, well, what happens if there isn't a page with this exact title? I'll show you. So there is no element with this name. There's an element called manifestation copyright statement, but nothing called manifestation copyright. So watch what happens. So it defaults to an all search. So I will find what I am looking for eventually, but it takes a little bit longer. Now, as you noticed, I did not use quotation marks. That's because this is a left anchored search. It's not a keyword search. So if I use quotation marks, it would try to look for a page that started with a quotation mark. There are no pages like that in the RDA toolkit, so you won't find the page directly using the exact title search. It'll default to an all search. So this works for any page in the toolkit that is, either an element name, an entity name, or is separately listed in the menus. So, for example, I could find Introduction to RDA. I could also find standards related to RDA. So you have to figure out which way is going to be faster. So obviously in this case, it would probably just be easier to go to guidance and click on Introduction to RDA rather than going over here and typing that in exact title. But let's say I don't remember exactly where this page is, but I know it's in the RDA toolkit. So describing a work takes me right there, and as it turns out, it's in guidance resource description, describing a work. I also find it's faster for elements instead of going through, work and then scrolling all the way down here and then doing the type ahead list. Because, again, I know what the element name is. I just want to go directly there. It also works for things in the resources tab. So, tie names, and it takes me right there. because there's a page called Thai Names. So that's really all I have to say about the exact title search. It's a great, very effective search if you know exactly what you want to find and it's the name of a page. It won't find content within a page. Like if I searched royalty, it's not going to take me to this page. It'll default to all and it'll find wherever it says royalty in the RDA Toolkit. I don't want to know how many places it probably says that. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video and others about searching in RDA. Bye.